all, welcome back to my channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko kung paano ba mag-fill in ng tax identity information gamit si Google Adsense. So let's start. Okay, so pag dito na kayo sa management info, piliin nyo yung individual. Okay, then click next. Are you a citizen? Click no. You have to choose no, then next. And this one, select the W8BEN. And start the form. So dito, ang kailangan yung fill upan is yung name of individual. Guys, dito, hindi yung channel name nyo. Kung ano yung tax name nyo, yun ang ilalagay nyo. And next, yung country, kung nasaan man kayo. Okay, then the TIN number. So, kung wala pa kayong TIN number, better na mag-apply. Okay, then, next. So, dito yung number 2, you have to put your address, all the information, the city, the postal code, and the province. And then, i-tick nyo yung mailing address as same as permanent. Then, number 3, sa tax treaty na tayo. Just choose yes, then the resident, and what country you are, then special rates and conditions. So, ito na yon. Yung iba, 50%, 30% ang binabawas. So, ito, medyo magre-request tayo na medyo baba nila ang ating tax. Okay, so article and paragraph, piliin lang natin siya. Article 8 in paragraph 1. So, i-tick natin. Then, we have to choose the withholding rate, 0%. Then, the other one, 15%. Same procedure. So, 15%. Okay. So, i-tick lang natin siya. Then, next. So, yun, lumabas na siya. 0, 15%, 15%. Okay, so sa number 4, document preview, pwede nyo siyang i-open to check kung tama ba lahat ng mga nilagay ninyo. Pwede nyo buksan lahat ng form na yan. Okay, so and then tick, I confirm. Then, next. Para mag-proceed tayo sa number 5. Okay, so sa certification, you have to put your full legal name again, hindi the channel name ha. Kung ano yung nasa tax, kung ano yung tax name nyo, yun ang lalagay nyo. So, are you the person? Just tick yes, I am. Next, so this is the last part, as the individual or identified in the tax identity. So tick yes, then the status change. So, are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments? So, this one, yung una kasi, hindi pa kayo nagsasahod. Meron na kayong dumarating na income, pero hindi pa kayo totally sumasahod. So, the next one, yung sumasahod na, dati pa. So, depende sa inyo kung ano yung status ninyo. Okay, then next. So, ayan na siya guys, na-approve na ang ating form. So, that's it for today. Thank you!
Click the button, click the bell, share the video. Please subscribe.